In this video, I show you how to fix Google Voice Search is not supported on your device. Please go to the following location problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, click on search settings, search for voice typing, click on voice typing, Gboard, and again voice typing, and click on enable. Now click on Google Voice Typing, click on it. Now enable this, click on OK. Now restart your phone. Start your phone. Now I hope that this method fix Google Voice Typing is not supported on your device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.